Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial on how to use Adobe Scan. This is an app that you can use if you want, right there in teal. This is how one way that you can upload your tests to Canvas. So when we have a test or a quiz, you're going to go into Canvas, into the modules. That's where we always go to look as to what's coming next. When there's a test or a quiz in there, you can click on it and you can either download that file and print it out, take it like a normal test you would take in class, or you can just view it on your screen and you can write the problems down on a piece of paper and work them there. Either way, you're going to have in front of you a piece of paper with some writing on it that you need to get back to me. So this is how you can do it. So Adobe Scan is an app that you can download in the App Store. The first time that you use it, you will need to sign in. You can sign in using Google or Facebook, Apple, or you can just sign in directly to Adobe, and you'll have to answer some questions and allow access to your camera. Once that's done, you'll click on the app and it will come up directly to a camera and you will go right away into scanning. So here's the first page of my pretend test and it's finding the corners of that. It's a picture of my calendar for the month. Quick tip, if you want to be organized in this online format, make a calendar. It'll help. And once it's grabbed it, you can either crop this by pulling in the corners and you can move these guys any way you want. Or if it's good, you hit this continue button in the lower right hand corner. Now, your test is not just going to be one page. It's probably going to be 2 or 3. And so what you want to do is you want to keep hitting continue until you've scanned all the pages. So I'm going to hit continue. And it's going to go back to my camera, and I'm going to now grab the second page of my test, which is my second month calendar, and let that scan. And now it says, hey, how do you feel about this one? So I'm going to hit continue again. If your test is 4 or 5 pages, you keep doing this 4 or 5 pages, okay, until you have the whole thing scanned. Once you do that, you hit continue, and it'll come up here, and down here in the corner right here is a thumbnail of the 2 documents you've scanned, and that's what you want to tap on, is that picture there, and it will come up with your scans. Now what this app does is it puts all of your scans into one document, which is great for me when I'm grading because I don't have to navigate through 5 different pictures. I can just have one document of your whole test, all the pages. Once you get into this screen, you can, there's a menu down here below if you want to do some things. You can color, you can rotate, crop, you can write on it, however you want to do that. And then once you're done, if you're done, up here it says save as a PDF. So you want to click on that, and then it will come up into this screen. These down here, these documents down here are all the things that I've done today previously. This one up here is what you just scanned. And this is your menu for what you can do with this document. And I'm sure that there's a super slick way to do this, but the way I've been doing it is to click this share button, this box with an arrow. And then what happens is down here, it pops up, it says you can share as a link or share as a copy. We want a copy to be put into Canvas, and it gives you places you can go. What I've been doing that seems to work for me is I go over here to my email, and I'm going to choose to email it to myself. So I'm going to email it to my school email right here. And the reason, and I'm going to call it, this is my test, the reason I'm doing this is because for me, I am taking pictures and scanning on my phone, but I navigate Canvas through my computer. And so if I email it to myself, then I can get it on my computer, I can download it and put it into Canvas, which is going to be the next tutorial video. But for now, I hit the little send button in the upper right hand corner, and it sends it to my email, and now I can access it on my computer. So that's how the app works. Next time you come in, you just, if you want to scan another document, you just hit this little camera button down here, and it'll hit you back to the beginning again. So hope that was helpful, and I will talk about Canvas in the next video.